everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how you can join a Moodle course. To join a Moodle course, first of all make sure that you open up a web browser and then type in moodle.org and search. Also make sure that you are logged into your Moodle account by entering your login credentials. Once you are logged into your Moodle account, go ahead and get to the dashboard option at the top left. Now in the dashboard section, click on the Search for Communities to Join option. Now, from the Communities tab, go ahead and enter the name of the courses you'd like to join. From the search results displayed on the screen, select one of the courses. Now, click on the name of the course or the group and look for the Enroll option. Now, select the Register Me or the Enroll button, and if you need, you will need to click on the Enroll Now button or Enroll Me button once again. Simply follow through the instructions, since there might be multiple times you'll need to click on Enroll. After you are enrolled in the course, you will be able to access to varieties of features and resources designed to support your learning. Remember that while enrolling into a course, you might need an enrollment key provided by your instructor or institution. But this process may vary depending on your institution's Moodle configuration. So that is how you easily join a course on Moodle. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.